If you've been using Evernote for a while and you're finally ready to bring everything into Notion, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to import your Evernote notebooks into Notion, where to find the importer, what to click, and what to expect after the transfer is done. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Notion on your desktop app or sign in to Notion using your web browser. One important thing to know right away is that the importer is not available on mobile, so you'll need to use a computer for this process. Once you're inside Notion, look at the left sidebar. Near the bottom menu, you'll see the three dots icon. Click those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Import. This is where Notion lets you bring content in from other apps and services. On the import screen, you'll see a list of different platforms. Find Evernote in that list and click it. This tells Notion that you want to move content over from your Evernote account. Next, Notion may ask you to sign in to your Evernote account. Go ahead and enter your Evernote login details if prompted. After that, you'll usually need to authorize Notion to access your Evernote data. Click Authorize to give Notion permission to read the notebooks you want to import. This step is necessary for the transfer to work properly, so make sure you complete it carefully. Once access is granted, Notion will show you the notebooks available in your Evernote account. Take a moment to review the list and select the notebook or notebooks you want to bring over. If you only want to move specific notes, make sure you choose the right notebook first, because the import happens based on notebook selection. After you've selected everything you need, click Import. Notion will start pulling in your Evernote content. Depending on how many notes you have and how large your notebooks are, this can take a few moments or several minutes. If you have a large Evernote library, don't worry if it seems to take a little time. That's completely normal. When the import finishes, your Evernote notebooks will appear as pages in the Notion sidebar. Inside those pages, your notes will be organized and ready for you to use. At this point, you can start moving pages around, renaming them, reorganizing the structure, or cleaning things up so they fit your Notion works better. If you want to keep your workspace tidy, this is a great time to check that everything imported correctly. Open a few notebooks, review your notes, and make sure your content came in the way you expected. In some cases, you may want to do a little formatting cleanup, especially if your Evernote notes contain special layouts, images, or tags. A quick review now can save you time later. And that's it. You've successfully imported Evernote to Notion. It's a simple process once you know where to find the importer, and now you can keep all your notes in one organized place. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Notion and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.